So from now on, we are going to use Express in our application. So the logical question is now, what is Express and why should we use it? So Express is a minimal Node.js framework, which means that it's actually built on top of Node.js, basically as a higher level of abstraction. But behind the scenes, Express is written 100% using Node.js code. Okay? It's also the most popular Node.js framework, by the way. There are a couple of others, but Express has kind of become the standard here. So Express contains a very robust and very useful set of features. Things like complex routing, easier handling of requests and responses, adding middleware, server-side rendering, and much, much more are all included out of the box. And this, of course, allows us to write Node.js applications so much faster than before, because we don't have to reinvent the wheel, basically. We don't have to repeat the same code over and over again each time that we need to implement some really complex routing, for example, or some templating system or something like that. So all of that is already included in Express, ready for us to use. For example, remember how we did some extremely simple routing right in the intro section of this course, but it was still not really straightforward to implement it. But with Express, it's going to be like 10 times more simple, you will see. Also, Express makes it easier to organize our application into the MVC architecture, which is a very popular software architecture pattern that we're going to explore during this course. So, in conclusion, Express will make our lives with Node.js so much easier, and the experience really is so much more pleasant. So I can't wait to show it to you throughout this section.